Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix WhatsApp unable to connect. Please try again later. So guys, when you log in your WhatsApp and want to add your number in your WhatsApp to make your account and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you need to go back, and guys after this you need to open your settings in your phone, and after this click on Wi-Fi, and guys make sure that your Wi-Fi is proper connected with your phone. So guys, if already connected, then you need to click on Wi-Fi and click on Forget, and guys after clicking on it you need to reconnect it again with your phone. And guys after doing this you need to go back, scroll it down, and here you need to find app management. Simply click on it, and guys after this click on app list, and here you need to find WhatsApp, and guys you need to click on WhatsApp, and after clicking on it you need to click on storage and cache, and click on clear cache. Here you can see clear cache, simply click on it. And guys after doing this, the third method is you need to update your WhatsApp. So guys, how can you update? So guys, simply you can update, open your Play Store, and here you need to search WhatsApp and click on WhatsApp, and here is the option of update. So guys, simply you need to update from here, and guys after doing update your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, then guys you need to open your settings, and after this scroll down, click on system, and guys click on date and time, and make sure that your date and time is set automatically. So guys, here you can see set time zone automatically. So guys, if it is turned off, then you need to turn on it. And guys use locate default, local default. So guys you need to turn on this as well. And guys after doing this, here is the option of reset phone, click on it. And guys after this, here is the option of reset Wi-Fi settings, click on it. And first of all you need to select SIM1 and click on reset, and after this select SIM2 and reset, and after doing reset network setting, then your problem will be fixed and you will be able to log in your WhatsApp smoothly. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.